How do I find my OTP code? Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can find OTP code in our device. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to find your OTP code, there are certain processes you need to follow in order to do it. You may just look up for these places in order to find your OTP code. One of the very easy is your text message. You will have built-in feature on any of your devices. After that, you're just gonna go to the text message section where you'll be finding the OTP code if you have used your number while logging in any of the accounts or any of the applications. So let's just go to the text messages section. Like this one right here, when I logged in into Bumble, I received this OTP code. So if you have used phone number in any of the applications, you'll be receiving your OTP code directly at your text messages center on your device. And the next application where you can find your OTP code is email. You may just check your inbox and spam folder in order to find your email. After that, just open up your email, and this one right here you can see as an example. I received a code from Microsoft account. You can see this is a single use code, which is my OTP code in order to log in into my Microsoft account. So if you have used any of your your email account in order to log in into any of the application that requires a code, security code, or OTP code, you'll be receiving your code when you open up your email and basically use that code. And depending upon the service, you may also receive an OTP code as an in-app notifications, and it is usually valid for only one session. Once you enter the OTP code, it will no longer be valid. But if you don't receive your OTP, you can contact the service provider for it. You should not share your OTP PIN and debit card details with anyone. And you can also generate the OTPs using smartphone apps like Google Authenticator. You may just go to Google Authenticator, like this one right here. If you have installed this Google Authenticator or any other kind of authenticator in your device like Microsoft Authenticator, you'll be receiving the OTP code within the app like Binance, Bybit. These are the apps that uses Google Authenticator as an authenticator, so you may receive an OTP code in these apps as well. So therefore, these are the places where you may be receiving your OTP code. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.